Yeah, I love that question because Kristen, you've always talked about like loan officers needing to be the trusted expert, and having that trust built there. And I think in a lot of ways they're amazing at their relationships, but they haven't necessarily had like the systems always to support them. Case in point, when I bought a new house a year and a half ago, I fill out a blank application. My loan officer calls me and is like quoting off rates and payments. And I'm like, "Oh, can you put that in an email?" And she's like, "Well, I just have it on this scratch paper in front of me." She's like, "So I can send you a picture of it." And it's like, "Wait, I'm engaging in this large financial transaction and you've got a scratch paper of rates and payment amounts, and like something's wrong with that." So I believe absolutely that the LO should be this, relational and trusted expert, but why not flip that head on its process? And that's, really what we work on at Ardley, which is if you're already engaging with Chase or Wells Fargo or whomever your servicer is, why, when you log in to your servicing portal or when you call them and you're interested in knowing if you can refi, because maybe you're like me and you got a mortgage in the last year and a half, why do you have to fill out the application and start over again? When they know who you are, how
Hmm.
much is left on your mortgage, they probably have done, have your credit in the background. So what we're able to do is price all of those options up front every day when pricing changes and show the borrower that. So show you when you're um uh if what cash out you're eligible for, what home equity you're eligible for, if you're eligible for a rate and term, what those are, and show them all next to each other. So I think that's really powerful in terms of utilizing technology to its advantage, utilizing the data your consumers know you have, showing them what they qualify for up front, and then that makes the LO an author and advisor, and not someone spending an hour trying to pull different systems together and pricing and servicing data and do that work themselves. Like let the technology do that work and let the human, let the LO be the relationship expert.